Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated May 31, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So now let's discuss about Nifty 50's yesterday's movement and for the past few days as well. If we talk about yesterday's movement, Nifty had a flattish opening and then moved higher by around 70 to 80 points. Uh, then it faced resistance around the 18,650 levels, moved lower by around 50-60 points. After that, in the second half of the day, it moved higher and closed in the top quartile of the day's range. If we talk about Nifty's placements from the key moving average, such as the 21 DMA and the 50 DMA, it's around 2% and 4.75% from the 21 DMA and the 50 DMA at the moment, and it is trading just 1.3, 1.4% below the all-time high, that is the 18,887. So around those levels, Nifty can face some kind of resistance, and Nifty is able to reclaim those highs or move above those highs, then Nifty will go to a confirmed uptrend. At the moment, the market status is that we are in rally attempt, and as from the 16,828 levels, we've almost come 1800 points or 18,650 points above the recent lows. So it's been a good rally for Nifty in the past couple of months or the past 3 months, if you see, but we haven't seen a follow through day, which is the primary criteria to take Nifty from a rally attempt to a confirmed uptrend. But even if the recent highs or gets retaken, that is the 18,887, then Nifty can go to a confirmed uptrend. On the flip side, if Nifty breaches key moving averages and breaches the 16,828 levels, Nifty will go back to a downtrend. But at this moment, as you can see in the past, in a May's trading session or in the April-May trading session, Nifty is finding support at its 21 DMA, and that is the green line. And the 21 DMA, as I discussed, is just 2% below at the moment. So even if there is some selling pressure, Nifty can find support at the 21 DMA. So as the result season is going on, there's some key results that we've covered for you. So Mazagon Dock, the Q4 FY23 revenue increased 49% YOY to 2079 crores. Profit surge 105% YOY to 326.2 crores. Graphite India's Q4 FY23 from operations fell 3.4% YOY and profit declined 69.5% YOY. Torrent Pharma, your Q4 FY23 revenue from operations grew 17% YOY to 2491 crores. The company's profit reported of 287 crores was against a loss of 118 crores in Q4 FY22. Adani Ports revenue from operation increased 40% YOY to 5797 crores. Profit grew 5% YOY, was impacted due to an exceptional loss of 1273 crores. Coal India's board approved the increase of high-grade coal of grade G2 to G10 prices by 8% with effect from May 31, that is today. The price hike will be applicable to all the subsidiaries of the company. Due to this revision, the company will earn incremental revenue of 2703 crore for the balance period of FY24. Talking about the global market update, US market was flattish or very muted, as you can see, from minus 0.2% to plus 0.3%. Even the consumer confidence data that was released yesterday for in US was on a positive note. That is, it was expected around 99.1. It came around 103 level. Still with that, it didn't get any positive movements from that. So Dow Jones closed 0.2% lower. S&P 500 closed flat. Your Nasdaq Composite closed 0.3% higher. So talking about Asian markets, Asian market apart from Kospi is trading lower at the moment. Shanghai Composite is trading lower by 0.5%, Nikkei by 0.8%, and Kospi has been moving higher for the past couple of months, as you can see, and is trading mutedly higher, but still trading higher by around 0.2%. SGX Nifty, like yesterday, is indicating a muted opening. Yesterday's close around 630 levels. Previous, the last trade around 5 minutes back or 10 minutes back was around 18,660 levels for Nifty, which is indicating kind of a muted or a flattish opening for Nifty. So we come to the chart of the day, and the chart of the day for us is B, uh, BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electricals Ltd. The stock is forming a cup with handle base. It's a stage one base, so an early stage base, which is a good sign. The stock did show some kind of accumulation on the right hand side of the base, and even the RS line touched a new high. But after that, as you can see, it started to consolidate as it's forming a handle pattern, and it's still 7% to the pivot. And if from here again, if the RS line starts to trend higher and it breaks out on above average volume, it can be a good stock. So on the parameters front as well, I mean, EPS strength is fair, but apart from the March 23 result, all the other results were pretty good for the stock. Price strength is fair, but if your RS line starts moving higher, it can be a good sign. Buyer demand continues to remain good. Fund holding for the stock has been improving, which is a good sign. And again, it's an early stage base. So if the stock breaks out from here and is able to sustain above the pivot, then it can be a good sign for the stock. And considering that the stock is still 7% to pivot, it can be good at the moment for the candidates to study the stock, and if it's able to break out and sustain above the pivot, it can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Prebell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. And tomorrow, the MarketSmith India team will be taking stock darbar for you at 4:30 p.m. So with your stocks related queries, you can